Hello everybody, welcome to AtNet Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a question in the chapter current electricity. What is the question, sir? The question is a carbon resistor of 47 plus or minus 4.7 k ohm. It means what? Kilo ohm. To be marked with rings of different colors for its identification. You know about that? The color code sequence will be, you are given 4 options: yellow, green, violet, gold. Option 2, yellow, violet, orange, silver. Option 3, violet, yellow, orange, silver, green, orange, violet, gold. Okay, so your is the right answer. So how will you identify a resistor in your lab? For that matter, you will make use of this expression: B, B, R, O, Y, G, B, E, G, W. In order to easily remember and recall these letters, you will make use of one sentence, is it not? B. Roy, Great Britain, very good way. What is the relation between this expression and these words, sir? Nothing. You are using it to remember this. That's all. You will be able to recall it at any time that you require. Okay. So B. Roy, Great Britain, very good way. So numbers are allotted in such a way that is. So black, 0 for black, brown for 1, red for 2, orange for 3, yellow for 4, green for 5, and then blue for 6, violet for 7, green for 8, and white for 9. Now what is the given resistance? 47 plus or minus 4.7 kilo. So the first digit is 4. So it must have what color? For Y for 4. So yellow. So first line, the first ring should be yellow color. It should be of yellow color. Then the second one, 7. What is the letter for 7? V. So V for violet. So the second ring will be with the color of violet. So this will give you 47. Then what about the third color? Third color will give you the number of zeros that you must add. So in that case, this 47K, kilo ohm. What does it mean by kilo? 1000. It means what? You must add 3 zeros. So in order to add 3 zeros, you should have a ring with the color orange. So yellow, violet, orange. Yellow for 4, or rather to say 40, violet for 7, 47, and orange for 3 zeros, 47K, rather to say 47,000 volts. Then what about the fourth ring, sir? Fourth ring will give you the tolerance. What does it mean? What does it mean by tolerance? The resistance will not be exactly equal to 47K. There may be some deviation. You might have studied even in the first unit the error in measurements, is it not? There are so many types of errors, is it not? Okay, so that is called tolerance. It may be less than 47K or more than 47K to some extent. What is the tolerance value? The tolerance value is 4.7K. It means what? This is 10% of 47. So if the tolerance is 10%, then the color of the ring will be silver. If the tolerance is 5%, it means what? The value is so accurate, but with better accuracy, you will get gold ring. Okay. If there is not at all any fourth ring, it means what? The tolerance is 20%. In our case, this is 10%, which is corresponding to silver ring. So in that sense, the correct answer is yellow, violet, orange, and silver. Yellow, violet, orange, and silver. So hence we have yellow, violet, orange, and silver. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay. So you must be able to identify the resistors that you are actually using in our lab itself. Okay. So we will see one more question. This chapter, current electricity, in our next video. Till then, see you one and all.